Ladies and gentlemen, class of 2016 inductee, Glenn Weathers. Glenn Weathers was born on July 4, 1943 in Scottsboro, Alabama, to Chalmers and June Roberts Weathers. He has one sister, Joyce Smart, and two brothers, Bob and John Weathers. Glenn worked in his father's hardware store after school, on Saturdays, and in the summer. He also worked as a plumber's and electrician's assistant during those days. Glenn attended Boaz schools, and he graduated from Boaz High School in 1961. He was active in the Science Club and Key Club. Glenn played forward on the basketball team and ran on the track team. Math was Glenn's favorite subject, and he became very interested in electricity and electronics. After graduating from BHS, Glenn attended Snead State Junior College for a year studying pre-engineering. In the fall of 1962, Glenn transferred to Auburn University where he majored in electrical engineering. He received his undergraduate degree in 1965, and for the next 3 years, he was employed by the Auburn Research Foundation as a graduate assistant and instructor while he got his master's degree. Glenn assisted his major professor, Dr. Edward R. Groff, in doing research on missile radio frequency under a contract with the U.S. Army. He received a master's degree in electrical engineering in March 1967. When his time at Auburn was over, Glenn accepted a job with the Sperry Rand Corporation in Huntsville and was assigned to electrical engineering tasks on the NASA Saturn V rocket booster program. This job included working on telemetry and communications equipment. In 1969, Glenn was awarded a NASA fellowship to complete a one-year residency requirement for the PhD program at Auburn. After he completed the one-year requirement, Glenn returned to Sperry and worked on NASA-sponsored research on communications equipment. He completed his doctoral dissertation and received his PhD degree in December of 1972. From 1972 to 1977, Dr. Weathers served as an associate professor at the Alabama A&M University School of Technology. In 1977, Glenn joined M&S Computing, which became Intergraph Corporation when the company went public in 1981. Intergraph became a Fortune 500 company during the 1980s, developing a high-end line of interactive graphics workstations and computer-aided design software. During his 21 years at Intergraph, Dr. Weathers led a large group of engineers and computer scientists that applied Intergraph technology to government applications. Dr. Weathers made significant technical contributions to the introduction of pulse Doppler processing in the Patriot air missile defense system. He also developed a radar waveform called group complementary coding, for which he was awarded a patent. From 1987 to 1998 at Intergraph, Dr. Weathers led the development of air missile defense mission planning software for the Patriot weapon system and was instrumental in the development of the Tactical Command System, the first type-classified and material-released command post for the U.S. Army. Glenn left Intergraph in 1998 to join Applied Data Trends, where for 12 years he served as Vice President and Chief Technical Officer. In 2011, he moved from ADT to Invention LLC, where he currently serves as Chief Operations Officer. Over the last several years, Dr. Weathers has led the development of Automated Emplacement Recommendation, a process that automates selecting tactically advantageous emplacement locations for the Patriot radar. He continues to perform research on methods for fully automating the mission planning and defense design process. In 1972, Glenn married the former Catherine Brossemer from Huntsville. They have two children. Their daughter Stephanie is a student services specialist at the University of Tennessee. Son Matthew is an attorney and works for Regions Bank in Birmingham. Dr. Weathers is active in the Madison County Republican Party and enjoys spending time on Lake Guntersville, playing golf and tennis. Ladies and gentlemen, Boaz High School Wall of Fame Class of 2016 inductee, Dr. Glenn Weathers.